Alexa, make a fart noise.
That was a very squelchy one. Try asking me for a bath fart. Or say random.
Give me a bath fart.
Here comes a bath fart. Try asking me for a ketchup fart. Or
Give
say
me a
random.
ketchup fart. Ketchup fart.
Here comes a ketchup fart. Try asking me for a relaxed fart. Or say random.
Random.
That was a relaxed one. Try asking me for a squishy fart.
Give me a
Or say
squishy
random.
fart. Squishy fart.
Here comes a squishy fart. Try asking me to fart 17 times in a row.
No.
Or say random.
Fart 17 times in a row.
30 farts coming your way.
30.
Ask me how to unlock extreme farts. Just say random.
Alexa, thanks.
Alexa, no more.
Oh my god.
That was a squeaky one. Try asking me for
Alexa.
a squeaky balloon.
No.
Okay, just say cancel if you have had enough farting for the day, or say random to keep the toots coming.
Alexa, cancel.
Okie dokie.